Hi guys, it's Ron. Take tips, take stuff. How's it going? Hey, today I want to talk to you about two different AI sites I've been using. And the first one here is RemakerAI and KlingAI. First of all, let's talk about RemakerAI and the different things it can do for you. So here we have tools. These are all the different tools on the website. I've been playing with quite a few of them. The ones I found work really well are background remover, you have meme maker in there as well. But the ones I really like here are the image to video and the upscaler. You can find it there. There's so many here. Anyway, let's just jump right into this. So click on the image to video, and you're brought to this page here. I'll show you my creations. Here's my creations here. So what I did was to get started for image to video, click on this and pull a picture up of, I'll pick this car up, image, and you have to give it a description here for the computers on what to do with it. So we're going to car drive fast. Car. Oops, let's just try that and see what it works like. Now I have credits here. Both sites uses credits. You get a certain number of credits when you sign up for free, and if you use them up, then you have to buy new credits, which is not really that expensive at all. So let's just make a short video here. 10-second video is going to cost you 35 credits. 5 seconds is going to cost you 18 credits. So let's generate this. It's generating. This is pretty cool. This here was a picture I took of my Trans Am back in 1982, almost 40 years ago, and I turned it into a video. Check this out. Well, it's not the back end of my car, but it's amazing what this can do. Here's another shot of my car driving. Notice nobody driving the car. That's from a photo done back in 1982. Here's me as a kid. This is a photo of me when I was 3. And I was filing a door, so I just told the computer to file a door. And file a door. Here's one here of gunshots. Some other ones. All different kinds you can do here. Let's wait for this to go here. I'm going to show you some other things in this site here. Answer. Actually, let's take take a background removal. Upload image. Upload this image is dug on a cloud. I'm going to climb a cloud. So pretty good. Now the upscale here. This works really cool. So I'll upscale this. This is free. So upscale this. And change the high resolution image. That look how clear this thing is. Just amazing. Just amazing. Let's go back to my projects here. It's almost done. One thing I found with this site is it has so many different AI tools on there. Sites that cater to one place that does all, it doesn't really work that well. They're not, you're not focused in, like they have on here for voice clone. And it doesn't work very well at all. When I put my voice in there, it doesn't clone it very good. It's just a terrible cloner. Okay, so here's a video we just enhanced. So it's just a photo of a car. Well, it's not the video I would hope for. See, it all depends. You have to tell the software exactly what you want. I can't remember what I told the software on this. Okay, I'm not sure when it shows up. Doesn't. Okay, anyways, that's it for this site here. Now I'm going to talk to you about KlingAI. Okay, so now we're talking about KlingAI. Now, this is actually a pretty cool site for getting all kinds of AI generated media. I want to go to what I've done. These are just some of the effects that people have created using this software. And again, the pricing works on credits, or you have to pay a membership to get faster service when you're creating a video. So let's go and explore and check this out a little bit. Let's go to effects. I've been playing with this here. This is me, picture of me. I'll show you what before it was. This year. This is a picture of me that I used to create these images here of me wearing a sport coat. And it turned out pretty good. I'm drinking coffee, that looked pretty cool. Now this site does a really good job at creating a video. Here's my video of my car. Just very, very impressed with the quality. Notice nobody driving. This is a 1982 photo. Another one with a friend of mine. These are all pretty cool. This one here didn't turn out very well. But it's all good to see what you're telling the computer. You have to be telling the computer you want to follow more movement in the arms, more movement in the body. That's probably what I have to say next time I do one. This one here is car inflates and floats away. Here's my car. I have no idea how they do this, but it's pretty cool. Okay, so these are the different special effects here. So we have 5. Okay, let's go then check out the other effects here. That's all my photos. I'm still getting used to this site here. KlingAI is, oh yeah, I want to show you something here what could be a little problem. If you're new to AI or new to KlingAI, there's some issues regarding render speeds for producing a video. Most sites they take maybe 2 minutes, but in this site when it's busy, it can take up to 4 or 5 hours to create a video and to get your video back. And the only thing you can do is upgrade it. Fast track video generation, professional mode for videos, watermark removal, master shot expansion, and video image upscaling. This is $79 US per year, and here's the free one. Get monthly credits, and you can go just buying credits too. But if you want extra stuff like your faster video making and stuff like that, it's going to take a little bit of money out of your wallet. Okay, let's do it here. It's called thing on cloud from the camera cloud. So what we're going to do is man with sword things wildly to fight. So that's what we're doing. This is the most important part, is telling your computer what you want the image to do. So it's a great 5-second video. It's going to be 20 credits. It's going to be 10-second video. It's going to be 40 credits. We'll just do a 5. Generate. 15 minutes. I'll come back when this is done. Okay, here we're done. And let's paste back there. Turned out pretty good. It's actually amazing how this software works. I'll put links in the description where you can try out both these sites. You do get free credits, so you can start going right away on there. All you do is have to sign up, and there you go. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.